Brain bubbles. What grows on a tree? Toys. Leaves. Bulbs. These are leaves. What color is grass in summer? Green. Red. Blue. It's green. Where do fish live? In a nest. On a tree. In water. In water. What shines in the sky during the day? Moon. Star. Sun. It's the sun. What weather happens in winter? Heat. Snow. Falling leaves. It's snow. What grows in the forest? Mushrooms. Cars. Houses. These are mushrooms. What color is the ground most often? Brown. White. Blue. It's brown. Who lives in the forest? Whale. Hare. Dolphin. It's a hare. What falls from trees in autumn? Stones. Leaves. Toys. These are leaves. Where do flowers grow? In a cupboard. In a vase. In the soil. In the soil. Who buzzes in the meadow? Cow. Hedgehog. Bee. It's a bee. How do fish breathe? Gills. Lungs. Nose. These are gills. What grows in the garden? Candy. Carrot. Cookie. It's a carrot. Who gives us honey? Dog. Bee. Cow. It's a bee. What appears in the sky after rain? Rainbow. Cloud. Moon. It's a rainbow. Where do bears live? In a nest. In a den. In a burrow. In a den. Which month is the coldest? May. January. July. It's January. Who croaks by the pond? B. Frog. Sparrow. It's a frog. What grows in a flower bed? Flowers. Houses. Cars. These are flowers. What color is snow? White. Yellow. Red. It's white. Where do mushrooms grow? On a tree. In the soil. In water. In the soil. Who lives in water? Fish. Fox. Bear. It's a fish. What appears on trees in spring? Icicles. Snowflakes. Buds. They are buds. Who carries a shell on its back? Snail. Hare. Hedgehog. It's a snail. What is a bird's home called? Den. Nest. Burrow. It's a nest. What does the wind do? Meows. Blows. Barks. It blows. What kind of water is in the sea? Sweet. Salty. Sour. It's salty. Where do apples grow? On a tree. In water. On the ground. On a tree. Who hides in a shell? Fish. Squirrel. Snail. It's a snail. What grows in the field? Car. Wheat. Sofa. It's wheat. Who can fly? Horse. Sparrow. Cow. It's a sparrow. What do we see in the night sky? Sun. Stars. Trees. These are stars. What can we find in a river? Crocodiles. Fish. Elephants. It's a fish. What color is an orange? White. Blue. Orange. It's orange. Who lives in the forest and eats honey? Wolf. Bear. Hare. It's a bear. What flies and drinks nectar? Hedgehog, butterfly, cat. It's a butterfly. What does the sun do? Shines, jumps, swims. It shines. Where do watermelons grow? On a tree. In the garden. In a nest. In the garden. Who sleeps in a den in winter? Fox, hedgehog, bear. It's a bear. What color is the sky on a clear day? Blue, yellow, black. It's blue. Who hops on the grass and croaks? Squirrel, frog, wolf. It's a frog. What appears on trees in spring? Cones, berries, buds. These are buds. Who lives in a hive? Ants, bees, foxes. These are bees. What can we find in the forest? Cars, mushrooms, tables. These are mushrooms. What color is a lemon? Green, yellow, red. It's yellow. Who lives in a burrow? Elephant, fox, fish. It's a fox. What falls from the sky in winter? Leaves, snow, rain. It's snow. Who crawls on the ground? Snake, fish, eagle. It's a snake. What rustles under your feet in autumn? Stones, leaves, toys. These are leaves. What is the opposite of tall? Which star is the biggest in the sky for us? Polaris, Sun, Moon. It's the sun. Brain bubbles.